Namaste, I am Manjula. Welcome to Manjula's kitchen. Mixed dal dosa. It is simple, easy and nutritious. This recipe does not require any fermentation. Mixed dal dosas are not only high in protein but also vegan and gluten-free, making them healthy choice for everyone. This recipe will make 6 dosas. I am using 4 different dals to make this dosha. 1/4 cup of urad dal, 1/4 cup of moong dal, 1/4 cup of washed moong, 1/4 cup of pink lentil, and I have washed and soaked it overnight so it became 4 times in volume, but you really need to soak this dal at least 6 hours to make a fine paste. So I am ready to blend. I am ready to blend dal. Before soaking, you should make sure you have washed dal 3 to 4 times, or after soaking also change the water. So here is the 1/2 inch ginger I have cut into the pieces. At this point you can add the green chili also if you like spicy. I am not using green chili because half of my family don't like spicy food. So I am going to serve this with a spicy chutney. And 1/4 cup of water. No, I think let's put 1/2 cup of water. One time just scrape the sides. Okay, dal batter is ready and it's looking very smooth. Batter is looking good, so I'm going to add some spices. 1/8 teaspoon of asafoetida, hing, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin seed, jeera. So mix it well. Adjust the salt to your taste. This is the right time. So far I have added 1/2 cup of water. So I think I need a couple of more spoons of water. This looks just the right consistency and I am ready to make doshas. I am using heavy non-stick skillet. Heat is on medium. So first I have to try if skillet is ready enough. So just sprinkle few drops of water and it should sizzle right away. So I think little more I have to wait. Okay, let's check it again. Yes, as you see it's sizzling and it's a sign of skillet is ready. So pour 1 big ladle of batter and just go around and spread it all around. You should always start from the center. It's very easy. Wait until you see that top part is dried and little bit you can see the color coming from bottom. So as you see, batter is dried up and you can see some colors. So put 1 teaspoon of oil all around, maybe a little bit more. And this is the time to turn it over. Just spread the oil, otherwise it will splatter. Beautiful color. Both sides it should be same color. So it should take about 2 minutes approximately to make one dosha. Okay, so dosha is ready. So take it out. Wipe the skillet again. So make the another dosha. Again, sprinkle the water to see, and it's just looking very perfect. Put one ladle full of and just spread it all around. And wait till it starts drying up from the top, and you will see some colors from the bottom. The other thing, you can make the batter in advance. It stays good in refrigerator for 2 to 3 days. So then you are always ready to make these doshas. Put about 1.5 teaspoon of oil. And spread it. It's almost ready. It has started leaving the sides also. So let's turn it over. Perfect color. Looking beautiful. And so you can make all the doshas the same way. Doshas are looking nice and crispy, beautiful color. I am serving this with sambar and tomatoes, sweet and sour chutney. This makes a perfect combination for me. Doshas are looking nice and crispy. I am serving this with sambar and tomato chutney. Mixed dal dosa is very versatile. You can serve this any time of the day. Of course, breakfast is really good. You can serve it for dinner or lunch or as a snack. Enjoy. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to receive my upcoming latest recipe. Till we meet again, check out more recipes on manjulaskitchen.com. Thank you and enjoy.